All right, so my buddy got me these lights that they go along the side. I'm gonna try putting these in. They're solar powered, so let's see how they work. Too sweet.
Oh, I'm so full. Oh. Okay. Let me see. Bentley, here. Get it. Get it. Okay, while we wait, get it, Bentley. Hey, let's show the subscribers that you can do some stuff. We get some treats. Sit. 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 You know how to sit. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Paw. Good. Good. Lay down. Good boy. Give you a treat. Well, why won't you catch this thing? You usually do. Get it. Get it. You don't get no treat. Well, I feel like it's on already. Or is it just the image? Is it on?
So I can put them on this side, or I can put them on this side.
Maybe on that side. Only because, you know why I said, but how are you putting it way over here? You should be putting it closer to the door, right?
What?
No? You're just kind of landmarking.
Yeah, I'm trying to get enough.
Yeah, because I figured if you put it on the grass, how are they going to cut the grass?
That's what the landscapers. Then when I do eventually decide to do this section over here, I can pop it right out. It's not a big deal.
Oh, you talking about for next year for Christmas lights?
Anyways.
No, what you were saying?
No, when I do something over in this area.
Oh, okay.
Like I've been talking about.
Yeah, we've been trying to do a lot of stuff. Oh, 10? Oh, see, I told you should have started. I knew it because when you're walking.
That spacing look good, babe?
Oh! Ah! Bentley!
Bentley!
What are you
across the road, B.
I know.
Yorkshire Terriers don't go across the street.
I know. We didn't even see where he just came out of nowhere. It's like, look who's here. And we outside too. Bentley, come say hi to the vlog. Come here. Come here. Come say hi to the vlog. He thinks I'm gonna give him a treat, that's why. Sit. Sit. Give me a paw. Paw. Give me your paw. Good boy. Good boy. You went over there? What you doing at the neighbor house? What you doing at the neighbor house? All right, what you thinking? So we're gonna see how that look like at night. I guess we'll come back.
Yep.
Okay, Alex, I'm gonna stop it because I. All right, you guys. So we put up all of the lights right here.
Yep. Thank you to my good pal Elmo for giving those to me as a Christmas gift.
Ciao. Took down my Christmas decorations to put up this.
Oh, facing's a little off still.
Oh, because you started way over here. I'm like, why are you starting over here? You should start over there.
That a bit.
But anyways, we're gonna come back when it's dark so you guys can see this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing, short unboxing clip. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do a separate video instead of inserting it. So we'll come back to end the vlog so you guys.
Inserting it.
Like, just like how you be inserting.
Anyways, we're a family channel some days, so.
Some days and yeah, I have like 1, 2, 3 gray hairs, and I'm not gonna take it out.
I have all these ones that I kind of dye out a little bit, which didn't really take.
And then turn on.
It's all because of this one right here.
And why you guys always think I got these? From what?
That's your own damn fault.
That's not my own damn fault. Anyways, you guys, we'll be back at night to end the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Ring the bell.
And ring that notification bell. You already know. Oh, he already know what to do.
Dude, he's not dumb.
He likes it. Bentley, give it. Let me see. Can I take it? I can't believe it. He knows what to do. Bentley. He doesn't know how to drop it. Bentley,
No,
drop.
it's his.
Okay, you know what you can do? Give him a treat when he drops it. And then pick it up, see if he'll drop it again. Bentley. Bentley, let it go. Let me see. Give it to me. Bentley, give it to me. Give it. No. Give it. Drop it. Bentley, drop. No. I know. Drop it. Drop it, Bentley. Let it go. There you go. Now, okay. Now, when you get, now, look, hey, Bentley. First, he got to do it again, and then you give him a treat. Here. Hey, Bentley. Hey. Here. Bentley. Get it.
He thinks he's getting a treat now, man.
Bentley, but he has to know how to drop. Bentley. Okay, Bentley. Bentley. Well, you have to have the. I guess we should try with the other. He thinks I have it. He thinks I have it. I love my new toy. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, you guys, so we are back and we want to show you the lights. Unfortunately, the house light is diluting these ones, so they're not really glowing like they should. But let me run inside and turn off the light real quick. You'll be able to see how they actually work.
But the lights are on though, but it's just like, it's not on how Alex, okay. Yeah, they're on. But why do you need to turn on the house light? talking about for content purposes.
Yeah, that's cool though, right?
Yeah, I like it.
I like it too.
Yeah, so it just like, oh, sorry, it's gonna be a little dark here, you guys. Don't mind us.
Yeah, it's all good.
But if you guys enjoy, yes, honey, I'm having my we're about to walk the dog and I'm having my drink at the same time. We want to apologize for it being dark, but we're gonna go ahead and end the video.
Yes, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, Alexandwadneyentertainment, and as always, ring the notification bell.
And thank you.
We hope to see you soon.
Oh, I like that.